Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage transparency mode on your headphones XIAOMI Buds 3T Pro. You have to start by open the application, and right here we have noise cancelling, so I should put my headphones to the ears to enable it. And now you can click here, or you can press and hold on your right or left earbud, and then press and hold again to swap to transparency mode. Just click, and right here we have two modes: regular, on, or enhance voice. So choose the best one for you. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.